Good morning students, this is Ranjan Kumar. So today we will start exercise 9.1. As you can see exercise 9.1 clearly in the given screen. So before starting exercise 9.1, I will explain you few things. As you can see here, relation between meter and centimeter, m and cm. We know 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Writing meters in centimeters. 5 meter in centimeter equals to 500 centimeter. Means when we convert meter into centimeter, we multiply with the given number. For example, if we are converting 5 meter into centimeter, what we have to do? We have to multiply the given number, that is the given digit 5, with 100, and the answer becomes 500. Okay. Now next one, writing centimeters in meters. 200 centimeters in meters. You have to convert 200 centimeters into meters. Okay. So we all know 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. So in the same way, we can write 200 centimeter equals to 2 meter. Or if question is given, convert 300 centimeters into meters, we can write 300 centimeter equals to 3 meter. Now start exercise 9.1. As you can see here clearly, the question is, give the lengths of the following objects shown. You have to measure the lengths of the objects shown. As you can see, this is an eraser, okay, and the length of the eraser is 0 to 3. So the length of the eraser will be 3 centimeter. Now come to question number B. As you can see, this is a pen, okay, and the length of the pen is, it starts from 0 and ends in 10. So the length of the pen is 10 centimeter. Now come to question number C. This is a given object. The length of the given object starts from 0 centimeter and ends in 8 centimeter. So the length of this object is 8 centimeter. Now come to question number D. As you can see, this is a pin, and the length of pin starts from 0 and ends in 2. So the length of the pin is 2 centimeter. So my dear students, you have to solve exercise 9.1 in your book in this way. Now let us move to next page. Okay. So let us see question number 2, as I have written here homework. You can see it clearly, okay. With the help of your scale, measure the length of the following. You have to use your scale and measure the length of the following. You have to do these questions by your own, because you all have crayon, pencils, sharpener and school diary at your home, okay. So you have to do it by your own with the help of a measuring scale. Now question number 3. Write the unit of length, that is meter or centimeter, that is used to measure these objects. Now what you have to do, you don't have to measure these objects, you have to write only the unit of the length. As I have explained you in previous video, that unit of length are of two types, meter and centimeter, okay. Means you have to learn only meter and centimeter. Meter can be denoted by m and centimeter can be denoted by cm. Now number A, length of a blackboard. It comes in meter because it is quite long. Length of teacher's table, it also comes in the meter. Length of a chalk, as you all know, chalk is a very small object, so it comes in centimeter. Length of your notebook, it also comes in centimeter. Now length of your skipping rope, the rope which is used for skipping, you can measure it with meter, okay. Now number F, length of your lunch box, you can measure it with the help of centimeter, okay. Now number G, Length of your school bus. You can measure it with the help of unit meter. Number H. Length of your shoes. It can be measured in cm. Okay. So in this way you have to solve question number 3. Now come to question number 4. It is also very easy. Write in centimeters. Questions are given in meters. You have to convert it into centimeters. How to convert? 4 meter can be converted into centimeter by multiplying it to 100. So 4 meter becomes 400 centimeter. In the same way you have to solve all the questions. For example, 7 meter. How to convert 7 meter into centimeter? You simply multiply 100 in 7 and you will get the answer 700. So when we convert 7 meter into centimeter, we get the answer 700 centimeter. Okay. Now come to question number 5. Write in meters. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to write these questions or solve these questions and write it into meters. So it is clearly given 100 centimeter. So in our previous page we have learnt that 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. Okay. I can show you. As you can see here, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. So 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. Okay. Now again come back to question number 5. Write in meters. So how to do this? 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. In the same way, 400 centimeter equals to 4 meters. 700 centimeter will be equal to 7 meters. 300 centimeter will be equal to 3 meters. 500 centimeters will be equal to 5 meters. And 600 centimeters will be equal to 6 meters. So students, in this way you have to solve question exercise 9.1 in your book. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.